167,175. Realistically, I'm probably going to be closer to about that, $30,000-$40,000 range.
Guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, you're going to be watching me actually have a seller from Batch Leads. Basically, we sent out some text messages. This is the next video in my series of videos showing you how to actually build a wholesaling business, so you know that you can get out here and do this stuff as well. It's not overly complicated, guys, okay? Now, this conversation was kind of all over the place. If you want to find out whether I actually have a contract, make sure you stay tuned all the way into the end, and it's a roller coaster on this one. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right on into it.
Based off the amount that they sold for. So, I just want to be realistic and transparent. Sold for about $56,000.
That very often people are going to tell you things to try to get the highest price possible. Like, as one of my favorite quotes is that sellers lie and buyers do too. You have to keep in mind that people will tell you all types of stuff. Hey, the agent told me that I can get X amount of money for the property, or I've got people who can fix the property up for me, things like that or whatever. Try not to let those things deter you when you're having these conversations. Really get to the root of why they're trying to sell.
If I'll ask you this, like, what's the most important thing to you when it comes to actually selling this property? Is it like the time frame? Is it like getting that maximum price? Like, what's most important to you when it comes to this deal?